I put this old light up over the workbench in my shop. I love having all this extra light. I want to do something like this over the workbench in the garage. We got a bunch of these at an auction at an old bookstore that was closing down, and nobody was buying anything. And so these lights were really cheap. We got a bunch of these lights for like $1, I think it was. So they were practically free. The only problem is they're behind all this junk in my garage. So in order to get back to one of these lights here, I gotta move all this stuff out of the way. Alright, now that we got this cleared out of the way, let's see which one of these lights are any good. Alright, they look a little funky. I'm not sure about these. Oh yeah, that lights right up. I think we'll just clean this one off. Let's see, what does it need to attach? Probably take the back off and then I can screw this on there. Alright, we'll use this one. Might as well test the rest of these too and then I'll know what I have. I'll put the working ones in front so I can use it. Oh yeah, this one works too. I might just use both of them in there. I have a place where I can set them both up. That'd be pretty cool. That'd really bring a lot of light. One would be over the freezer and one would be over the workbench. Alright, let's see if this last one works. Oh yeah, this one works good. Alright. So we only had one of them that didn't work, and one of them didn't have any bulbs in it, and then 3 of them worked. So not too bad for basically $1 is what I think these cost. Okay, so after looking at this area here, it seems like it'd be kind of a waste to have 2 lights up here, so I'm just going to put up one. I'm just going to put up one light right up here above the workbench. I don't think I need one over the freezer. This should be plenty of light right here. I'm thinking of putting the other light up on top of the shelf for now, and then I'd like to set up, it's kind of dark in that corner over there, so I'd like to set one up over there eventually. But for now, I'm just going to go with the one light right up here. That's the problem with these old power strips, is how do you find screw heads small enough? Just need a really tiny little screw. I got it in. Woohoo, now I can turn the light on and off just with a flip of a button. Just gotta get the cord up here out of the way. Alright, I got the light up there. Looks a lot nicer in here, a lot brighter. I'll be able to see what I got on my pegboard here. I got a pegboard kit from Amazon that I'm setting up on here. Be able to hang some things up here, it'll be pretty cool. Got some of these pegs here to put some screwdrivers, some of those racks. Then I got a bunch of little different pegs here. Came with these little angle hooks. Came with some J-bolt, some J-hooks there. And some bigger ones. Some different racks here. And then these little nibs to put on the end. I got a few of them up here already. I put this one up here. It also comes with these little hooks here to stabilize your hook. Got all these little stabilizing hooks. Those are pretty cool. So the single ones need to be stabilized. I got one there, and I got one over here for my dust mask. And so you got to put that little stabilizing hook in there in the pegboard. The bigger ones though, they don't need it. You can just put the big ones in there like that and they hold pretty good. Alright, yeah, so that'll be really nice to have this light here. So I'll be able to see my pegboard and then I'll be able to see my workbench here to work. This is without the light on here. I also set the light up. I plugged it into the power strip so I could just turn it off like that. So I get some light here. But when I'm standing over here, everything's kind of in the shadows. But I got that one light up there in here. So it's real nice to have another light that I can turn on. I got all that light over there. Pretty cool. Now I'm gonna have to make some pegboard videos. So like and subscribe if you like pegboard videos, because I'm gonna make a few of them.